solve 4x root of 3x plus root of minus 5x equals 4. The question doesn't state whether x is a real number. If x is a real number, then 3x is greater than or equal to 0, which means x is also greater than or equal to 0, and minus 5x is greater than or equal to 0, which means x is less than or equal to 0. If x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than or equal to 0, then x must equal 0. Clearly, x equals 0 isn't a solution of this equation, so x must be a complex number. To solve this equation, we need to remove the radicals. So we square both sides of the equation. By expanding the left-hand side of the equation, we can now write 3x plus 2 times root of minus 15 x squared plus minus 5x. We move non-radicals to the right-hand side of the equation and simplify the equation. So we can now write 2 times root of minus 15 x squared equals 16 plus 2x. By dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we can now write root of minus 15 x squared equals 8 plus x. Now we square both sides of the equation to remove the square root sign on the left-hand side of the equation. By expanding both sides of the equation, we can now write minus 15 x squared equals 64 plus 16 x plus x squared. By rearranging the equation, we can now write 16 x squared plus 16 x plus 64 equals 0. By dividing the equation by 16, we can now write x squared plus x plus 4 equals 0. So x equals minus 1 plus minus root of 1 minus 4 times 4 over 2 root of 1 minus 4 times 4 equals root of minus 15. So x1 equals minus 1 plus root of 15 times I over 2. X2 equals minus 1 minus root of 15 times I over 2. By verification, we know that both solutions are the solutions of the original equation.